Hello everyone, today we're exposing Kringle Heaven, a fake Christmas decor store flooding social media with gorgeous garland ads and 70% off deals. But real customers are getting dollar store junk from China. Let me save you from a holiday shopping nightmare. KringleHeaven.com shows stunning photos of lush pre-lit garlands, realistic wraps, and beautiful Christmas decorations with claims of handcrafted quality and massive discounts. Garlands marked down from $129.99 to $39.99. The website looks like a cozy boutique Christmas shop straight out of a Hallmark movie. But it's all fake. Here's what's actually happening when you order. After placing an order, you get immediate confirmation but no tracking number and vague shipping updates. It takes over 3 weeks for anything to arrive from China. When the package finally shows up, it's nothing like what was advertised. One investigator who tested the site received a luxurious garland that looked like dollar store quality, thin, cheap, covered in plastic glitter that fell off everywhere. Definitely not the full fluffy pre-lit garlands showed in ads. Even worse, it has a strong chemical smell and parts were crushed and deformed from poor packaging. Some critical red flags. First, no real company information. There's no verified business address, phone number, or identifiable owner to their website. This is a massive warning sign for any online store. Second, stolen product photos. Several pictures on Kringle Heaven's website are stolen from Amazon and Pinterest listings. They're showing you someone else's high quality products while shipping you cheap knockoffs. Third, the refund scam. When the investigator contacted customer support about the refund, they got a generic reply, asking them to send products back to an address in China at their own expense. The shipping cost alone was more than the garland itself. This is the classic drop shipping scam refund trap. Fourth, the prices are too good to be true. Quality holiday decor rarely comes that cheap. Those $129.99 markdowns to $39.99 are fake discounts designed to make you think you're getting a deal when you're actually overpaying for garbage. What you're actually getting is cheap factory-made decorations from sites like AliExpress or Temu that don't match the pictures. The lighting doesn't work. Materials are poor quality, and craftsmanship is non-existent. You could buy the same item on AliExpress for $5 to $10, but Kringle Heaven charges inflated prices while disguising itself as a boutique holiday brand. The products look beautiful in the ads, full, lush, and festive. But what buyers receive are thin, cheap decorations with strong chemical smells. This is a seasonal dropping scam. Scammers create professional-looking websites before the holidays, run aggressive Facebook and Instagram ads with stolen photos, collect money from desperate Christmas shoppers, ship worthless junk from China weeks or later, then ignore refund requests or make them impossible by requiring expensive return shipping. After Christmas, the website often disappears entirely, and they rebrand under a new name for next year. The final verdict? Kringle Heaven is a complete scam. It's designed to exploit holiday shoppers with beautiful ads and fake urgency while delivering worthless products. If you want quality Christmas decorations, buy from legitimate retailers like Target, Pottery Barn, Wayfair, or Amazon with verified reviews and real return policies. Don't let scammers ruin your Christmas. Shop smart, verify companies before buying, and if a deal looks too good to be true, it often is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.